Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna at Walmart in-store. First, make sure you already have the Klarna app installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. Now open the Klarna app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Wallet tab. Inside the Wallet section, you will see the option called One-Time Card. Next to it, tap on Choose Store. Search for Walmart and select it from the list. After selecting Walmart, Klarna will ask you to enter the estimated amount you plan to spend in the store. Make sure you enter an amount close to your total purchase value. After entering the amount, Klarna will generate a digital one-time card for your purchase. You will also see the available payment plans. Choose the payment option you prefer, depending on how you want to split your payments. Once you confirm the plan, tap the option to add the digital card to your mobile wallet. This can be Apple Pay on iPhone or Google Pay on Android devices. Now you are ready to pay in-store. Go to any Walmart checkout or self-checkout register. When it is time to pay, open your mobile wallet on your phone and select the Klarna digital card you just added. Hold your phone near the card reader and complete the contactless payment just like using a regular debit or credit card. After the payment is approved, your Klarna payment plan will begin automatically inside the app. Thanks for watching.